Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I am going to show you such a recipe which is very delicious as well very healthy. So all that we use in this is everything like whatever products we use in this are very healthy. So before getting to the video, those who have not subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and on your notifications to get the updates. So the name of the today's recipe is broken wheat payasam. So this is kind of a dessert item. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends. So here I have taken the broken wheat. You can see this. This is easily available nowadays in the market. If at all you are not getting it, you just take few wheat seeds and just give one blend in the blender. So you will get this broken wheats. So I'm just taking measurement of that glass. One glass of broken wheat I have taken here, and I'm washing it thoroughly. Once or twice you can wash it. So once you wash it finely, I'm going to add the water to this broken wheat. So for one glass broken wheat, I'm adding around 2.5 glasses of water. As it is a wheat, it requires little more water to get cooked. So always to the safer side, I'm adding half glass extra. As it is a payasam, if the moisture or water content if left out also, we can use it further. So that's why half glass extra I put, and we have to let it go for 5 to 6 whistles at the medium flame. So further, I have taken a pan here. So in that I am adding jaggery. For this one glass broken wheat, I have taken 1.5 glass jaggery. As I am little less sweet user, I have taken 1.5. So if you like the sweet, you can go ahead for 2 glasses also. And I am adding half glass to 3/4 glass of water, and I am allowing it to boil. There is no particular consistency for this jaggery syrup. Just all that we require is the full jaggery, whatever is there, has to dissolve in the water. And it should be a fine syrup. That's all. So meanwhile, we'll moving ahead. We have to make coconut milk. So as you most of the people will know how to make the coconut milk, but those who is giving a first attempt for them, I am just giving you few information how to take about the coconut milk and all. So here I have taken half coconut because as our quantity is little less, I have taken half coconut. So grate it finely and I am adding it to the blender. So whenever you are taking coconut milk, the process is like you have to go for a first milk and the second milk. Extraction of first milk and the second milk. So for the first milk, you have to add very little water to the blender, like a half glass of water. Then make a fine paste as you can see in the video and go ahead squeezing it tightly. You will get the first milk of this coconut. So further this coconut we will be once again grinding it to extract the second milk from this coconut. So usually this second milk we will be using at the cooking time. It will be cooked little more time. And this first milk you can see here, this is very thick in nature and the taste also very high in rich than the second milk. So this we will not allow cook more time like this. The same way I'm going ahead and taking the second milk from this coconut, but this time you can add little more water because already we have squeezed off all the moisture from the coconut. That's why. So you can make out the first extracted coconut milk, how thick it is, and this is the second extracted milk. So moving ahead, here our wheat is ready, finely cooked. I've allowed it for 4 to 5 whistles. See. So as I told you, little moisture is still there, but it's fine because it is a payasam. We will anyway require the moisture. So now I am adding this to our jaggery syrup. See here, jaggery all are dissolved in the water. Now the syrup is finally done. So I'm adding this broken wheat, cooked wheat. And just for about 1 to 2 minutes, you just mix it well to mix the wheat with the jaggery. Then we will be adding the second extracted coconut milk to this. As I told you, this milk we will be using for cooking for the long time. As you can see, the more watery content, this all has to come little thicker. That is what the consistency of the payasam. So allow it to boil nicely so that it will come thick. See here, you can see all the coconut milk has been absorbed. Now further to this, we will be adding the first milk. As I told you, the first milk will be very rich in taste and all. So we will not allow it to cook more time. So we should just allow for 5 to 8 minutes. That's all. Just you can say like 1 or 2 boil. So further to this, I am also adding the dry fruits which is I roasted in the ghee. As we anyway has to add the ghee to this payasam, I have added in the roasting time itself 1 or 2 spoons of ghee along with cashew nuts and badam. See, as I said, we will just allow it to boil once. So once the boiling starts, we'll cut off the flame. As I said, for this 2 to 3 minutes, only thing you have to do is you continuously stir the payasam. So now our broken wheat payasam is ready to serve. So I'm just shifting it to the serving bowl. As I said, it is very healthy. All the ingredients whichever we used in this, like broken wheat or coconut milk, jaggery, and the dry fruits, ghee, everything is healthy. Please give a trial to this recipe, and those who have tried, don't forget to mention your comments and like and subscribe the channel.